welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Tanisha, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you guys are hitting that red subscribe button and join the family. So for today's video, thank you so much to Beautyforeverhair for sponsoring today's video. They're gracious enough to send me this beautiful 22 inches water wave wig. Y'all, beautiful. I literally have no words. So make sure you guys are checking out the description box because I will have all the information about this particular wig down in the description box for you guys. If you guys are interested in seeing how I installed it, it's a quick, beginner-friendly install. Continue watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into the video. You guys, look at this. This is beautiful. I'm loving these curls. I love the pattern. Here's what the lace is looking like. I know I just showed you guys in that earlier segment, but this is what it's looking like. I didn't bleach any knots or anything, so I'm actually just gonna go in with some powder real quick onto the lace and then put some on my cap as well. Sorry, let me adjust my mirror. I've never even came on camera looking like this before, you guys. This is a first. I feel like we're getting real personal. Real personal. Okay, let me just put this powder in real quick and then we can get to the installing. And the lace already was pre-cut. I don't believe I'm going to need to cut it anymore. And then I love that it has baby hairs already because me and baby hairs just don't mix. I just can't do it right, y'all. I don't know. Okay. And then let me just add some real quick on my lace. We're just gonna go ahead and just do a middle part. That's the easiest. Just add that everywhere. And you guys, I don't do the ball cap method. I don't do that. So to install, very simple. I'm just gonna use my melting spray from Wig Dealer. It's gonna be a quick install. And I love using that, especially for like glueless installs. I love that. So next up, I mean, y'all just gonna see me install it.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I do it all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby, I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave, even though I wouldn't wanna bleed, even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my body, my body says my mind, and my heart, my body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. go, baby. At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. My heart, my mind, and my body. I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit. Know this shit. Know that I did.
So here we have the final look, you guys. What do we think? I didn't put any product in it. I love like volume when it comes to my curls. So I just thought like, you know, just keeping it how it is. I love like the natural state that it's in. It's looking really pretty to me. So I just decided not to put any product in it. So you guys let me know what you guys think. So talking about the wig, this is a 6x4 transparent lace wig. It is water wave. That's a curl pattern, if you guys didn't guess. And then also it is 22 inches. So here's what's 22. I know it's probably hard to even see because I got this black shirt on, but 22 inches is pretty long on me. I love it. I love it. It doesn't look that long just because it is like that curl pattern. But again, once you like wet it and everything, it'll be longer, and then once it dries up, it'll shrink up. Y'all know how that goes. But you guys, I'm able to just run my hands through this, minimal shedding. Like I got one strand, that's it. It's so soft. I love it. I added some concealer to my part just because with the transparent lace I was able to see my cap underneath, so I just added that. I just put some foundation on that to blend it in. How do my baby hairs look, y'all? Like I already said, me and baby hairs don't mix, so I feel like I did good, especially with them already cut. I thought I was gonna have to trim them, but I was able to just maneuver with the length they were. So you guys let me know. It is flat. Y'all see this lace? Do y'all see this lace though? Beautiful. No words at all. So yeah, you guys let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. This is some beautiful hair, y'all. I love this type of like curl pattern to take on vacation too with me. Definitely. So yes. All right, that about wraps up the video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. Check the description box because I'm gonna have everything linked, all the different details for this particular wig down in the description box and the direct link to it on their website. Again, thank you so much to Beautyforever for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys all in my next video.